Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today, iSpecimen Incorporated ISPC just filed a current report on Form 8K, and I am seeing a big payment that raises some eyebrows. Quick note, this is not financial advice, just my take on public filings for educational purposes. The company is paying a massive fee for marketing services, and given their current financial situation, this timing is something to watch closely. Alright, let's dive into what iSpecimen Inc. has filed. This is a Form 8K, which is basically a report of significant events that a publicly traded company needs to disclose to the public. The company's name is iSpecimen Incorporated. The key date here is the 12th of August, 2026. This is when the main event we are discussing happened. This filing is all about a new material agreement the company has entered into. This means it is an important contract that could affect the company's business. So on the 12th of August, iSpecimen made a deal with a company called IR Agency LLC. This agency is going to provide marketing and advertising services. The goal is to get the word out about iSpecimen to people in the financial world, like investors and analysts. This includes creating things like company profiles and distributing news. This agreement is for a short period, just 3 months, starting from the 12th of August. During this time, IR Agency LLC will handle marketing and distribute up to 10 news releases for iSpecimen. Now, this is the really interesting part for these services. iSpecimen is paying a whopping $2 million. And get this, the payment was due by the 13th of August 2026, meaning it was made almost immediately after the agreement. The filing also states this fee is fully earned and cannot be refunded. Looking at the recent news headlines, we see that iSpecimen Incorporated's revenue dropped to $308,000 in August, and their losses are deepening with cash burning fast. They also recently closed a $5 million public offering of stock and warrants. This makes the $2 million marketing fee payment quite significant, especially for a company with a market cap of only $3 million. It represents a substantial portion of their recent fundraising and a very large expense relative to their current revenue. Interestingly, either iSpecimen or IR Agency LLC can end this contract at any time by giving written notice. The agreement also includes clauses where the consultant promises not to act like a broker, meaning they won't be recommending specific stock trades or giving investment advice. They also have to follow us securities laws. This is important because it tries to ensure the marketing efforts stay within legal boundaries. This section just lists the exhibits attached to the report. The actual consulting agreement is filed as Exhibit 10.1, and we can assume all the details we just discussed are laid out in that document. And here we have the signature indicating that iSpecimen Inc. is officially submitting this report. Catherine Field, the Chief Executive Officer, has signed off on it. The report is dated the 14th of August 2026. Now, let's put this into perspective. iSpecimen Inc. is a small company with only about 7 employees and a market cap around $3 million. They recently raised $5 million, paying $2 million for a 3-month marketing campaign when revenues are struggling and losses are increasing is a bold move. It is a significant chunk of their available cash and recent financing. This could be an aggressive push to generate awareness and potentially attract investors or customers. However, given the company's recent financial performance, this large expenditure is definitely a point of concern. It is crucial to see if this marketing effort translates into tangible business improvements or if it is simply burning through cash at an accelerated rate. The risk here is that if this doesn't yield immediate and substantial results, the company's financial runway could be severely impacted. What I'm actually looking for is a clear and rapid return on this significant marketing investment. Oh, and the research tools I actually use are linked in the description. They help keep this channel going. That is my take. Stay decoded. Like, comment, subscribe, and join our Discord for more.